Hi guys, it's already 2026. My brother is 2. I'm so happy for him. March 29. We're graduating. Like my picture, watch this way. Like that picture. So guys, I had my blanket. I'm ready to sleep. My mama said I can sleep. I'm gonna borrow Nanny's phone. I'm gonna borrow his phone. That is nothing, guys. That's not like that. That is nothing. Don't wash that. Just keep it. Just keep it. So, guys, look at my blanket. It's Kuromi. Do you guys favorite Kuromi? Do not favorite Kuromi like me. My favorite Kuromi. This is my favorite Kuromi. Bia is so kind, but she's when ay pinapatawa ko siya, pasampas niya. Lagay ko na dyan. Gata niya. Ayan guys. Ayan, pillow ko. Nandito ako sa hap namin. So, dito na yung kuya ko. So, part na ulit tayo. So, magbibideo lang ako guys. So, pag 2027, nasa probinsya na siya. 2025 pa yun. Dito sa yan. Hindi mo pala kaya. Oh, tama. Oh, wala kang nga ganito guys. Saan ka na bibili guys? Send it right now into the comments. So, bye!